maybe I can get in here. Passenger side. Oh, I think it's trying. Hold on. What the hell is wrong with this thing? I'm not having any luck with it because it's a piece of shit. Yeah, it's a piece of crap.